Removing the washer fluid reservoir of the windshield washer system. A bucket to catch the escaping water is naturally essential. The electrical connectors of the fluid level indicator switch must first be separated before continuing to remove the reservoir. The connector is responsible for the washer fluid display in the instrument cluster. Next, remove the washer fluid line on the headlamp cleaning pump. Now you will need the bucket, if not before. Now pull the headlamp cleaning pump out of the washer fluid reservoir. The two retaining bolts for the washer fluid reservoir can now be unscrewed. When the bolts are undone, the washer fluid reservoir can be pulled out until the windshield washer fluid pump is accessible. Once the rear washer fluid pump has been pulled out of the washer fluid reservoir, the reservoir can be removed. Note, if the washer fluid reservoir is to be replaced, the fluid level indicator switch for the windshield washer system must be removed. The switch is not supplied with new reservoirs. If the reservoir is retained, it must be checked for leaks.